Okay, so another surrealist game that artists would play is a torn paper collage. So they would just get scrap paper, any color. You could use newspaper if you had it, or a brown paper bag, and you're just gonna tear it into different shapes. You don't really have to think about what you're doing, just tear it up. Little different shapes. You can try to make a circle if you want, okay, or not, or if you just want to do like squares, it's up to you. And then when you have a bunch of shapes, you don't need too many, but you want enough to cover the page. Toss them up, and wherever they land is where they're going to stay. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, so here are all my shapes, and I'm just going to let them fall. And then I'm going to get my glue stick and I'm going to glue them down right where they are. Okay, so you guys should have a glue stick in your art supplies. If not, you can get them at the dollar store, you can get them at the grocery store, you can get them at Target. So if you want it so that they're exactly where they are, I would hold down one side, put some glue on the piece of paper, or you could put the glue on the paper. That's a little bit easier. And then even though the glue is purple now, it's gonna dry clear, so you don't have to worry about the big purple marks, although yours aren't the same as mine. Okay, so I'm just kind of holding one side down and then putting glue on the paper. Okay, and then for the ones that kind of fall off the side, like this one, I can just trim it later when I'm done. If you don't like what happened when you threw these up, it goes like this. Then you can throw it up again and see what happens. This is all experimental, right? And you don't have to be in love with everything you do. Sometimes it's just fun to try it out.